So I'd like to show you the difference between a Procomp harness that came on from Summit for $147 US, or the difference between the painless harnesses. I started out, I ordered the Procomp here because it was cheap, so I thought it'd be a good thing to have just in case, like just put the thing together. I opened it up. First thing off, you look at the flashers. They won't even fit in place. No matter what you do with them, they're halfway out. There's actually not enough room in between to make them work. Then you start going to the fuse box, which it's cheap, but it's you guy could make it work right up until the point you start looking at it. And flip this around here. There's wires that aren't even crimped and falling out of it. And at that point, I decided this isn't what we need to do. This is not for what we want to have. Everything in it is completely cheap. Do not even bother using it. So then I decided for $400, went up to JB's, bought a painless harness. Oh, should go back to here. It's a photocopied pages, generic pages that actually don't mean all that much for the wiring. You go open up the manual for the painless harness, and it gives examples of every different type of vehicle to put it into, how to wire it. Just a different world. You get looking into it, all the pins, everything is crimped in very well. There's no loose wires. The signal light relays have an actual spot in them, right in the fuse box. Everything works out well, looks well. Wiring's labeled correctly all the way through. Just a complete different world. Don't even bother buying the Procomp one. You'll throw it in the garbage. It's just a waste of money.